Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitHub Actions for auth-aware UI deployments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with GitHub Actions for auth-aware UI deployments, begin by navigating to your repository on GitHub. Access the Settings tab in your repository. Scroll down to the Secrets and Variables section. Click on Actions. Select New Repository Secret. Name your secret appropriately, such as my_. Enter the value for your secret. Click Add Secret to save it. Next, create a GitHub Actions workflow file. Navigate to the .github/workflows directory in your repository. Create a new YAML file, for example, deploy.yml. Start by defining the workflow name. Add a trigger for the workflow, such as on, push. Specify the branch you want to trigger the workflow on. Define the job section in your YAML file. Name your job, for instance deploy. Set the runs on key to the appropriate environment, such as Ubuntu latest. Under your job, begin defining steps. Start by checking out your code with the actions/checkout at v2 action. Next, you will need to set up node.js or a relevant environment for your project. Use the actions/setup node at v2 action and specify the node version required. If your project requires additional dependencies, use npm install or yarn install to install them. Now, utilize the secret you added earlier in your deployment step. Access it through the syntax $secrets.my_secret_key. Define your deployment command, including any necessary environment variables. Run the deployment command in a separate step. Ensure error handling is in place for your deployment command to catch any issues. After completing the workflow, commit the changes to your repository. Push the changes to the specified branch to trigger the workflow. Monitor the Actions tab in your repository to confirm your workflow runs successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.